Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue when your POCO M8 Pro is either disconnecting from Wi-Fi frequently or you have a weak signal. First of all, before trying to solve this issue on your smartphone, check if no other devices that you have in your proximity have the same issue. So check the Wi-Fi connection on your laptop, on your tablet. If no other devices seem to have the same issue as your smartphone, then we can actually try to solve it on it. Now, first of all, we're gonna have to open settings on our device and go to Wi-Fi, and then let's try to simply disconnect from the Wi-Fi. Let's go to additional settings, then go to manage saved networks, click delete, forget network. Then let's go back to Wi-Fi and let's find our network and enter the password to it once again. Once the password is entered, tap connect, and then check the Wi-Fi connection once again. And if this didn't help you, then we can reset Wi-Fi settings by going to more connectivity options right here and select reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now be aware that all of your Bluetooth devices will be disconnected and so unpaired from your devices as well, so you're gonna have to repair them to your smartphone after performing this operation. However, it will most probably solve your issue. Tap reset settings right here, enter your password, then tap OK. And once you see this notification right here, we can basically reconnect to the Wi-Fi network once again. So select it on the Wi-Fi list, enter the password, and then tap connect. And at this point, the problem should be gone. If not, also try restarting your device by holding down power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe down to reboot and see if your problem gets solved afterwards. And it will most probably be solved. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.